Go on YouTube.
What's up, everyone? Hiro here, Alvin, first timers. Today we're doing a little thing on the G35, something I've picked up that I've really wanted since I got the car. So finally it came, and yeah, I'm gonna have Alvin hold the camera here. Just do a quick unboxing. Oh, rip the box. It's okay. I'm sure you guys can take a guess what it is in this little box here. It's a shift knob, but it's not just any old shift knob. It's a weighted shift knob. This thing has some weight to it. They rated this at 1.01 pounds. So I wonder if I don't know if the stock shifter weighs anything, but this thing is going to be nice. I know you guys are probably going to say, hey, your hands are going to burn when it's hot, but I don't care, it's okay. I wanted to try this shifter. So anyways, we're just gonna, oh, and it comes with different inserts.
Threads.
Yeah, threads.
Now the question is, what does a weighted shift knob do?
It's supposed to help with shifting. Like when you're going in, it's supposed to just help with the shift throw. It's not a short shifter or anything, it's just a knob, so it's not going to shorten the throw, but it's supposed to help with the shifting. Not that it needs it, but I just like to see how much it helps, because I've always been curious about weighted shift knobs. I never had one. It's my first one. So
dang, first weighted shift knob.
First weighted shift knob. I've always had the other ones, like on my MR2 I had a TRD shift knob. It wasn't weighted, or if anything it was like half a pound, or if not maybe even less. This is actual pound. You can feel the weight. So yeah, I'm curious to see how it's gonna help.
Dang,
so,
you know what's gonna happen is that weight of that shift knob is gonna like smash down the center of the G35. It's so heavy, and the rest of the car is just like so light.
Yeah, my car's gonna be slammed with this.
Yeah.
Anyways, we're gonna get to it. We're gonna hop in the car and then take out that shift knob. I heard it was really hard, or I saw some videos, so I'm curious to see how hard it's gonna be.
How hard?
How hard? Yeah, I'll leave this up here. So, oh, using our Auto XL panel trim kit, it gets in there nicely.
Make sure you go and check it out on the upper right hand corner of the screen there. Just use the tools we use, guys.
Alright.
Damn, it's like we did this before. I'd say, guys, this is our first time pulling that out.
Yep, and then, I mean, I watch videos to kind of get an idea. I know we got to remove these clips here. If you want to show.
Dang, what is this thing here?
Automotive media interface. Is that my aux?
Probably.
What is this?
Maybe the CD changer?
Or maybe that's this thing right here, whatever this is.
But it might be the CD
Simple.
changer.
Does it say simple?
Yeah.
There it is right here. It's for the
iPhone.
iPhone. It's probably the iPhone integration.
Oh,
for
not factory.
For auxiliary. No, it's not. I saw this online. Well, I'm gonna tear it out because I haven't got an iPhone.
The hell's this other thing in there?
I'm gonna get a stereo.
Yeah,
I don't know.
A whole bunch of stuff in
Hold
there.
on, let me disconnect this.
Dang, now we're disconnecting stuff.
Heck yeah.
He's like, oh, I don't need a cigarette lighter and I don't need flashers.
Yeah, I do. When I do the ricer flybys.
Dang. So while you're doing this, tell them about the story where you lost the race.
Oh man, I was just cruising. Wasn't really trying to race, but I was just cruising, nighttime cruising after the canyons, and a BMW, I forget what it was, a 640i, and a Mercedes, I forgot which class, but they were all loud and obnoxious and doing the exhaust popping noises. And a McLaren. They must have all been buddies. They were all just cruising, terrorizing the streets. And then when I was driving by them, I was at a stoplight, and since there wasn't that many cars, and you know the G35 actually sounds pretty nice stock, so I think they thought I was racing them when I was shifting. I shift at like 3,000 RPMs, and from 2 to 3 you can hear the car. So after I went from 2 to 3, shifted, they went wah, and then they let go of the gas and went pat 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 pat. Dang, that thing's not pushing down. There you go.
Let's go.
There you go.
as they say, más huevos.
Más huevos. What is this foam thing?
It's the safety. Come on, bro.
I've never, all the videos that I saw, they didn't have this. They must have tore it out. Well, at least you can tell that this is like bone stock. I like this look. Looks very racer.
Did you hear that, guys? He's gonna pull out his leather shift boot.
Let's disconnect this crap.
Oh, it might hook up to your
stereo, huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna say, I think it hooks up to your
dip switches, USB.
Oh, I was gonna say your CD changer in the back.
My CD changer is right here. It's all in here.
Oh, it's all okay.
All inside, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Well, when we do the stereo, we'll tear this out.
Yeah, because we just don't know what it hooks up to just yet.
Yeah.
Because that wiring. Actually, where's this go?
That routes up.
This goes down under my seat.
Oh yeah.
No.
Oh, I see the wire.
No, we'll figure that out later.
Yeah. Actually, I forgot that I hid that wire.
Dang.
Eventually, when we do this,
guys.
Well, yeah. I mean, eventually when we do the stereo.
Just hiding stuff here. Get a good shot of his face. This guy. Don't let him work on your cars.
Yeah, no,
Just
I hide
things in there.
I hide things under the rug. No.
Dang, look
just
at this
messing around.
Break and stuff here.
I'm trying to
get it back in.
Can you hold that? Kind of went sidetrack here. We're trying to do a shift knob, and all of a sudden we're touching stereo equipment. But I can't wait to put the stereo in. That's going to be in another video. Man, what the? There you go. There you go. All right, now let's get back to this thing. So we need to pull this up without pulling the shift.
I'm getting this all tied up in there.
Yeah, I don't want to
rotate it back to where it needs. There you go.
I don't want to. We need to hold the. Oh, okay. I could pull that down. There you go.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. So we need something to hold that right there.
Hold what?
The lever, so it doesn't turn when I turn the.
Wait, turn the boot?
When I turn the shift knob.
Yeah, that's what the vice grips are.
Yep.
Alright, so here, hold that.
Alright.
Vice grips here. Wrap that there.
So supposedly these shift knobs are held in with Loctite, so that's why probably a lot of people have a hard time just changing the shift knob. This is actually not a quick job, not like most cars where you just turn the knob and then all of a sudden you're done. But not this guy. But if it was easy, then you wouldn't appreciate it as much, right?
Is that what it is?
Yeah, I'm just gonna convince myself. Let's see what else. Oh, okay, good. So the stereo has brackets there. I don't know if this has to come out.
Yeah,
This does? Oh, they're right there. Okay. It doesn't look too hard to take these panels out, I hope. All right.
Yeah, so these vice grips there are holding the shifter.
So you hold that. What the? Are you serious?
Dang.
Dang, is it that easy? Then maybe I didn't even need to do that.
Dang, look at this.
Oh, dude.
This guy making it all difficult.
No, man, I've watched like 3 videos where they're like, oh, screw this shift knob. Man, we probably didn't even need to lift all
were they
this.
scrawny looking guys?
Yeah.
Oh, dang.
Hey, man, what are you trying to say?
I'm
You could
just
be
saying,
scrawny and strong.
Maybe that's why you need a 1-pound shifter. Because you can't shift your own cars.
Hold on, let me.
Okay, so I see no Loctite on here whatsoever.
So maybe someone had it open before.
I see no Loctite anywhere.
No, that's what I'm
in
saying.
thing.
Maybe someone had it.
No, there is no Loctite in here. There would usually be, you'd see residue even if you were to rethread it back on. There's like no residue on there.
So mine is
So maybe somebody forgot to put Loctite on?
It was from the factory. Or maybe a certain year came out with it. But at least I know how to change the shift boot now.
Yes, guys, he just wants to get rid of the shift boot already.
Dude, I should just leave it open. Just kidding.
Yeah.
Is it weighted?
Nah.
This is like
stuff already.
This is like
feels like probably, was it 400, no, 300 not
kgs.
even, yeah. Not even.
Kilograms.
Yeah, it's pretty.
So let's see.
$83 degrees in the house seems kind of hot.
Okay. So let's turn this clip here. Let's get the shift knob on there.
Yeah.
Alright. Approved.
Alright.
Alright.
So Hiro made it sound like it was gonna be difficult.
Yeah, I mean all those other videos that I was watching, they're like using both hands and like getting calluses and everything.
Yeah,
and
they need to have a little more muscles,
no,
guys.
I've even
know?
saw a video where part of the shift knob would tear apart just because they were just having a hard time turning it. We got the vice grip on the bottom, and then Alvin's just like, like, what are you talking about?
I didn't even hold the vice grips.
But you see, that's where it sits. I'm very happy with the look.
And it moves really nicely in there too.
Yeah. I just can't wait to drive now. Oh god, I like it. We just need to do something about this part. Right now it doesn't look too bad since it's like it sits perfectly.
Yeah, that's what I'm
but then you see how it just lowers right there? Yeah, we need to figure out how to...
So we can just find a screw.
And a washer or something.
A nut and a washer,
a nut and a washer. And put the boot up with it so it stays right at the bottom of that shift knob. So yeah, all in all, very happy with it.
That's great.
First timer approved.
He's like approving.
And then not only that, I mean, when we popped open the shifter plate, we got to see how to remove the stereo. So that's going to be on another day. We're going to be changing the stereo. So can't wait for that, dude. Can't wait for that too. Woo! All right.
Anyway, guys.
So make sure to like, hit that subscribe button. If you have any comments, make sure to leave, or if you have any questions, leave that in the comments below.
Or if you have comments, just comment.
Or just comment, yeah. If you have a passion for cars like we do, just, you know.
Or you want to scream at Hiro for not being strong enough to take off the factory shift knob. Yeah, I do that too, you know.
Dang, I see mosquitoes flying in my car. They're waiting to eat me alive when I'm driving.
Hiro's worried about mosquitoes. But anyway, guys,
peace out.
Instagram, Facebook, down below.
In the description.
You know, don't forget about us there.
Make sure to connect with us, follow us on those.
If you guys are following us, you would have seen that we bought the shift knob already, and it was already there. So yeah, you'll have all of our videos before we even do them. So
yeah. All right, you guys.
Later.
Thanks for watching. Woo. Yeah, it's actually it makes a difference. Shifting feels very light.